Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new Apple CarPlay portable display. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. So if you guys don't have like Apple CarPlay or AirPlay in your vehicle, this can definitely be a good substitution for that. That was a nice size screen right here. Check that out. That is really nice. It's got a dash cam right there. You get a backup camera for it. It's got the Type-C charger, auxiliary for sound, and then this one so you guys can put it on your windshield right here. An extra adhesive, and then the user manual. So on mine, I'm gonna just put it right there on the dash, so it already comes pre-installed and you're able to just stick it on there. So let's actually go out to the vehicle and set it up. All right, so I just got it plugged in, so let's go and actually just set it up. Oh, there it is, one question on there, and it is literally good to go. This screen is super nice, very, very clear. So let's go and actually start setting some of this stuff up. So let's actually just start with CarPlay. So let's go ahead and do that. I just went ahead and put that same stuff on my phone. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it. Boom, there it is. Less than 30 seconds to set up your CarPlay. So let's go ahead and actually navigate some of things on here. So we'll go to First Podcasts. And we can do this one right here. As you can see, it's got a built-in speaker into it as well. So the touchscreen is actually very responsive as well. Check it out.
The Law of Success, Lesson 16, the Golden Rule.
Very cool. So you got all your podcasts right at your fingertips. Go back here and let's do Audible. I'm going to go ahead and do the Sam Walton one. Let's check it out.
And stay there for a few days.
Very, very cool.
But that was going to use up all our money, and we had to take a family vote to decide.
And then let's try one more. We can do... Let's go ahead and load maps. And as you can see, if you guys do any kind of DoorDash, Uber Eats, this will definitely come in handy. So you could just see all the streets a little better than if you're just looking at it on your phone. Let's go back here. And again, obviously, you have your music options here as well. So very, very cool. So now let's go back to the main screen right here. All right, so now let's actually try the AirPlay option. That's probably gonna be my favorite option on here. So let's go ahead and hook it up. All right, and there it is. So you can see everything that's on my phone is displayed right on here. So let's go to YouTube. Let's go ahead and just load one of these on here. Let's make it full screen.
Yo, what's good, boss? Chilling. What are you up to?
There we go.
Don't tell me it's a fake screen, bro. No, it's real. It's not a fake screen, dog.
So as you can see, what's probably going to be my favorite option right here is that you're able to just cast whatever's on your phone directly onto the display. You know, so that way if you guys have some extra time in the car, you can put something on, a movie or anything like that. So very, very cool. Let's try it. So now let's actually go ahead and try. Let's go and actually look at some of the other options out here. So if you go to audio, I just want to show there's some different options that you can use. So like I said, it's got the built-in speaker. If you want to hook it up to your car's Bluetooth, if it has that option. If you want to hook it up through the FM station, and then obviously through the auxiliary that they provide onto your vehicle. So, you know, there's 4 different options on here. So no matter what kind of car, you'll have audio coming out one way or another. So let's go back here. Let's actually try out the camera now. Okay. All right, and just look how clean that dash cam looks. Wow, like it is a crystal clear dash cam. Very, very nice. Now let's go and actually hook up the backup camera and see how that one looks. All right, and that is what the backup camera looks like. So that's got that dual screen right there, so front and back both displaying on there. They both look really good. So I love that it has this option for both the front and the backup camera. Normally they just have one or the other, so I do like that they have both, and the quality is actually very clear as well. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. If you guys are looking for a new portable CarPlay display, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.